about to hit the main shaly climb on Cobberas.
Make sure you're up on that.
So easy.
Now it's up to you.
Now it's my turn.
It is, it's just kicking that line, brother.
Say when, boys.
Ready? Straight back. Okay, slow. That's it. Okay, so you get enough run off. Try and just go straight, don't try and turn.
So we've done all the hard bits, I think, on Cobberas. Bit of fun. Now we've just opened out into this big open area. You can actually see the mountains and stuff. Bit smoky. But now we're going to go look for a spot for lunch. Shano knows a spot.
What are you having?
Ham, cucumbers, cheese and tomato, barbecue sauce on a wrap.
Barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
What are you having? You've already eaten.
You know all I got, mate. I got a ham, cheese, avocado, brown.
Not even my one. Get out.
Do you know where we are?
No, I don't know where we are. Oh, jeez, there's a hole there.
Where do you think we are?
There.
Pretty close. We're there.
Far out, that was really close.
So we're going to finish Cobberas, then on Limestone, and then we're going to go down this native cat. And then we're doing our usual wing it from there.
Ledbrook's winging it.
Yeah, we're going to try and we'll go up here and go to these possibly 2 mines, old abandoned mines.
And where's the camp?
Then we're going to come back out and down, and the camp is just down here.
Is that going to happen?
Yeah, easy. I don't
Piece of cake.
Negative attitude everyone has.
We've already made up the hard bit of Cobberas. Even the Colorado made it up, so you got to be feeling positive.
Go to Colorado.
Let's go. Beef.
You sure you got enough water?
How's the...
No. La more water.
Can I have your bottles? 10 cents refund.
Negative. Tight ass Ledbrook doesn't give it to anyone.
Yeah, you were meant to give me a tyre deflator, you tight ass. I got footage of that. You never did.
Hurry
I
up
had to
and
buy
jump
one.
in the car quick,
Wasn't
let's
even
go.
a freebie.
Come on, stop talking.
This is Limestone, and we're just gonna head up to the native dog campground and then native cat track. See how that goes. Native cat.
You should get one of these. It's got a range of 40 metres.
Yeah, I know.
Man, as soon as you go, you're 50 metres away, it breaks up, I can't hear
Got this
anything.
awesome, nice squealing sound through it. Like,
Oh no, that's because I got to turn on the little one, the 2 water, to actually hear what someone's saying. But
Yep.
5 water's not working.
definitely get one. You know where we're going?
Yes. Is that positive enough?
Does anyone else want to go in front?
Shit, yeah.
We all want to go front.
Nah, you go. I'm good. I'll just sit back.
It's gonna be rock, scissors, paper. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What do you got?
Yeah, let you go first.
He lost, obviously. This is where the magic happens. On the bonnet of Shano's car.
So if we go up this teapot, the mines are here. One there and one down further. We could just go to one.
That's Hell's Hole there, campground.
So we can literally take, what do you reckon, an hour, if that, to get to there. Or otherwise we go to there. It'd be better down here, hey?
If that hut's free, it's awesome.
That way? Which way, Liz?
Are we winging it? Good map session. Where the magic happens, straight on your bonnet.
Should just get the map printed on the bonnet.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Easier.
He's been wanting to pull out his toy for a long time.
Look at Sonny, still your son.
He doesn't know what he's doing. How'd the Azito go?
Zito. Powdered burn.
A 4-inch bar on it.
Yeah.
Never buy a chainsaw that's more than 6 times the length of your dick.
Well, this is about 1 time, so. Showstopper. Tree across the road. No mines for Ledbrook.
Just whether or not you can chop it and then push it over, because we can drive over this. Right out.
How much of an adventure do you want? Do you want to quickly cut it?
Go, kick it harder. Not going to snap off, is
Don't
it?
break it with your foot.
Oh!
Just needed some legs.
Keep going, you're right. All good.
O'clock in the afternoon, and we're dropping down into an area where Ledbrook thinks there might be some mines. They're all on the maps and stuff, so we're going to check that out.
I reckon just go back. Back on the one we did. Yeah, you happy to do that? It wasn't that bad.